from Bugeye Guys, and today we have a video of a Bugeye called Christmas of All Things. It happens to be a few days before Christmas, and so we don't have a white Christmas, but we have a white Bugeye, and that one is a 5-speed car. I'll show you under the hood in a minute. It has recent tires, but the main advantage on this car really is that you're getting a 1275 engine and a 5-speed transmission. We've just put in brand new seat bases. They were a little bit tired, and so we've restored these seats, and they're quite beautiful now. We've also restored the dashboard switches and features. You have a locking choke handle here. That's a nice feature. I like that upgrade because the original, while it looked like this starter knob, it wasn't a locking choke mechanism, so you couldn't adjust for high idle, and this gives you the ability to do that. The door pockets and door liners are nice. Really, the whole car is nice. It's an older restoration. It isn't perfect. I see we have one little errant hole here. It had a short tonneau at some point. That's just a bug. But they didn't properly fill this hole when they changed to the long tonneau variety. And so that's one demerit. Here's the other one on the other side. They left this one as well. That could be filled and touched up, so that's not terminal. And then I did see there was one little ding in the back. Here it is. It's hard to see. Right there is a little dent, and that might be push-outable. I probably would tell most people just to leave it unless you're really fussy. It's really hard to see. The car shines nicely. The paint is good, and the bonnet fit is good. The windshield seal is good. We have the usual marks here from the tops. They tend to scratch this portion of the anodized windshield frames. We restore these all the time with powder coating to make them a little more durable. But the body lines are good on this car, and I'll show you under the hood in a minute. The bumper is also nice, and those are the correct original wheels. Under the hood on this Bugeye, we have a recent master cylinder, which is good, so that's been refreshed, and the carburetors look brand new, so they've been restored. There's no heater on this particular car, so there's just a heater valve functioning as a blanking plate or a block off, so that's fine. If you wanted a heater, we have those in stock. There's also a 1275 engine, as I mentioned, and we have an exhaust header here that actually has a port so that you can analyze your exhaust temperature and hook that up to your phone if you're interested. I think that's all been blocked off, so that we'll leave that as is, but we have disc brakes up front. We have a high output starter, a spin-on oil filter, an electronic ignition distributor. That Datsun 5-speed is a nice upgrade if you like having a fully synchronized gearbox. I don't see why you wouldn't. It's a nice feature on these cars, and the wiring harness is also looking nearly brand new. We have good lines all along here, and so I really like this car. It's in good shape, and I think anybody would be happy looking for a 5-speed driver that looks quite stunning as well. So that's Christmas here, and happy Christmas to all of you from Bugeye Guys.